Hello guys, my name is Ardia and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, I show you the beautiful of Iran and Iranian food. Today, my mom cooked this Iranian dessert is Nesha. Join to me and watch this video till the end. But don't forget, like this video and subscribe the channel. Let's go. Alright guys, our dessert is ready. Let's taste it. Okay, let's go. It's cooked by mom. Mom, thank you. It's very sweet and delicious. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel. And please send it with your friends and write your comment in the blue. Thank you and see you in the next video.